What if I told you one Chinese character can mean beautiful, delicious, and even America? Today, we learn the structure mei. Most learners think mei just means beautiful, but in real life, it's much more flexible. And once you understand it, a lot of Chinese vocabulary suddenly becomes much easier. At its core, mei describes something that is pleasant, attractive, or enjoyable. It can describe how something looks, how something tastes, or even how something feels. But here's something interesting. In modern Chinese, mei is also used as a short form for the United States. That's why Měiguó means the United States. měijīn means US dollars. So one simple character shows up in beauty, daily life, and even country names. First, Měiguó. Here, mei is used as a short name for America, and guó means country. So literally, it's America country, which simply means the United States. You'll hear this everywhere. For example, 我朋友在美国工作. My friend works in the US. Next, 美金. Mei again means America, and 金 means money. So literally, American money. In real life, this just means US dollars. Like, 这个要50美金左右. This costs around $50. Now, let's move into the beauty meaning. 魅力 means beautiful. Mei is beauty. Li also means pretty. So together, it's like double beauty, which makes it sound a bit stronger and more formal. For example, 她真的很美丽. She's really beautiful. Then we have 美好. Mei means pleasant. Hao means good. So literally pleasant and good. But in real usage, this describes something abstract, like memories or experiences. 那是很美好的回忆. That's a wonderful memory. Next is 美食. 食 means food, so this is literally good or beautiful food. But in real life, it means delicious food, or even famous local dishes. 我很喜欢中国美食. I really like Chinese food. And very similar is měiwèi. Wei means taste, so literally good taste. In real usage, it simply means delicious. 这个菜特别美味. This dish is really delicious. Now, let's look at appearance. 美容. 容 means appearance, so this literally means making your appearance more beautiful. In real life, it's beauty care or skincare. 她今天去做美容了. She went for a beauty treatment today. Then, 美女. 女 means woman, so this is simply beautiful woman. It's very common in spoken Chinese. 那个美女你认识吗? Do you know that beautiful woman? Now into art. 美术. 术 means art or technique, so this literally means the art of beauty. In real usage, it refers to fine arts, like painting or drawing. 他是学美术的. He studies art. And finally, 审美. 审 means to judge, so this literally means to judge beauty. In real life, it means your aesthetic sense, your personal taste. 每个人的审美都不一样. Everyone has different taste.